Broken bones aren't the only winter sport injury you can face out in the cold. Intermountain Healthcare has also seen patients with high altitude disorders, say after venturing into the backcountry. Intermountain has a special machine to help those people. It also treats another more common and often deadly winter danger. Doctors have used it to treat people sick from high altitudes. But at Intermountain Medical Center, the most common use of a hyperbaric chamber is in severe cases of carbon monoxide poisoning.
In the last 2 weeks, we've actually seen and evaluated 3 patients.
Dr. Lindell Weaver, medical director of hyperbaric medicine at Intermountain Medical Center, says anytime you burn carbon-based fuel, carbon monoxide is produced. It can be harmful and sometimes lethal.
A backpacker or a hunter might have a tent and operating equipment inside of it, a propane stove, as it were, to heat the tent, and can get poisoned. We treated 3 deer hunters from Montana a few years ago. They came down to us with severe poisoning, very badly poisoned, actually. I remember a family of 4 people from central Utah 4 or 5 years ago who presented with poisoning from their camper. Of course, they thought everything was fine the year before.
Dr. Lindell Weaver says prevention is key. Some common sense rules: don't operate equipment, and especially generators, indoors. Keep generators at least 15 feet from the home. Don't leave the car running in the garage, and have your heating system checked annually. A carbon monoxide alarm is another layer of protection, costing around $30 to $40.
This alarm is interesting because it's self-contained. It has its own battery. You don't have to plug it in. It's good for 10 years.
There are ones that plug in and portable ones too, convenient for traveling.
What do I do personally? Oh, I have one of these or one of these and one of these on each floor of my house. Where do you put them? Put them in the bedroom.
And doctors recommend replacing your CO detector every 5 years. Carbon monoxide is oftentimes referred to as the silent killer. It's important to know the symptoms. If you are feeling dizzy or symptoms similar to the flu without the fever, get out of that space immediately. Reporting in the studio, Saray Chin, Good for Utah.